Hi, I'm Tracy. I'm the service director. I give Tekmetric 5 stars. For more reviews like this, click the button below. Prior to using Tekmetric, we used manual processes. Everything was handled by Excel and Word. Required a lot of manual data entry. There was no paper trail. You just rewrote over the last invoice and proceeded on to the next. It did not allow for very good follow up with our customers, nor tracking, and time consuming. You had to go out, get quotes manually for parts, and then you had to write it all down, and then you had to type it all in the notes and into the Excel spreadsheet, and it was just a very cumbersome process. The number one reason we chose Checkmetric was it was the only software system out there that provided us an opportunity to communicate via text message directly with our clients. All Data, Mitchell, all of the competitors out there were not as advanced as Tekmetric when it came to communicating with the customer. They were advanced in things like ordering parts, but when it came to dealing with customers, you had to have a third party system. You had to have something different added to the system. And it just seemed like it wasn't working for us. When we brought in Tekmetric, all of our systems kind of seemed to merge together and make the perfect plate. And so that's been the easiest thing with us. Getting started with Tekmetric was the easiest thing ever. It was the click of a button, and 24 hours later, we were live in our customer database that we had created in an Excel spreadsheet, because that's all we used, was already uploaded and ready to go. It made it so simple for us. Adding our new vendors as they come on board has been really simple. It's been a challenge more so from a personnel side because they weren't used to getting data from vendors. We use a vendor, we just say, oh, we bought it from Joe Smith or XYZ company, and we never had to track their address and things like that. Now we actually have that data, so it feeds right into our accounting system, and it's really simple. My number one recommendation when looking at a program and why I would consider Tekmetric as being your opportunity to succeed is the ease of use and their compatibility with people. They take the time to get to know their clients and what their marketing base is, how their op shops work, and cater the program to you. If we have a problem or we want something new, we have a huge database that we can put stuff in and make suggestions, and then they review those daily. They have teams that look at them. So many of the changes we've asked for, they've updated and done right away, and it's been great for us.